In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your job search location on Indeed if your job matches don't quite fit where you want to work. Updating your location preferences on Indeed can make a big difference. Indeed uses these preferences to tailor both the job matches you see and the search results it prioritizes, so taking a minute to fine-tune them will help surface more relevant roles. Start by clicking Profile. From your Indeed account, head to your profile page. On desktop, you'll typically find your profile name or avatar near the top of the screen. On mobile, look for the Profile tab. Opening your profile puts all of your job-seeking settings in one place. Next, open Preferences. Inside your profile, locate the section labeled Preferences or Job Preferences. This is where Indeed stores the details that shape what shows up in your feed and in suggested roles. Now edit three key settings: location, relocation, and remote work. Begin with location. Enter the city or region where you want to work. If there's an option to refine the area, such as selecting a wider or narrower radius, choose what aligns with your commute comfort and the breadth of jobs you want to see. A broader area can reveal more opportunities, while a tighter focus keeps results close to home. Then adjust relocation. Let Indeed know if you're open to moving and, if applicable, specify the places you'd consider. Being clear here helps employers and the matching system understand whether roles outside your current area could still be a fit. If you're not interested in relocating, mark that accordingly so you won't be shown jobs that assume a willingness to move. Finally, set your remote work preference. Indicate whether you want remote roles, on-site roles, or a mix according to the options presented. This tells Indeed how to balance fully remote opportunities with positions that require you to be in a particular location. If you primarily want remote roles but still care about time zone or occasional office visits, make sure your location and remote settings reflect that balance. When you're done, save changes. Confirm that your updates are stored before leaving the page. Once saved, Indeed will use these preferences to refine your job matches and influence what appears when you search, helping you spend less time sifting and more time applying to roles that fit. That's it. Click Profile. Open Preferences, edit location, relocation, and remote work, then save. Revisit these settings anytime your situation changes to keep your results on target.